talk to you about geologic time. Geology is the study of solid earth. Time is a way to mark events. Probably our favorite event of the school day is when the 4th block bell rings, for example. Geologic time deals with an amount of time way beyond human existence. So we're looking at periods of time anywhere from 1,000 years to 1,000,000 years and beyond. So 1,000 years, 1,000,000 years is a very long time. Geologic changes or landform changes require quite a bit of time to take place. However, the results are fairly dramatic. So a slow process, maybe 1,000,000 years, makes for dramatic changes. For example, millions of years it took to make the Rocky Mountains or to make the Grand Canyon. Taken a long time, but what you have is quite dramatic in the end. Geologic time is studied to understand causes in geology. We studied how the Earth moves around. If you could figure out when the last earthquake was, and maybe the earthquake before that was, even though you could be dating rocks that are 1,000 to 1,000,000 years old, there's chances are you might be able to predict when the next earthquake will occur, which could save lives. So geologic time is a very valuable thing to study. Geologic time is marked in eons, eras, and periods. Eons are the longest time period, and when we look at an eon, we're talking about billions of years, a time frame of billions of years. An era is the next longest, and eras are measured by fossils. So they're measured by types of life forms, and typically most of the life forms that are studied are fossilized life forms. Periods are life forms that became abundant or simply became extinct. This is the next time frame, which is a smaller time frame than an era. An era is maybe about 1,000 years. Periods are broken down, eras are probably about 10,000 years. Periods are broken down into maybe 1,000 years. So periods are where life forms are abundant, certain type of single-celled animal or perhaps a certain type of dinosaur was abundant but then became extinct. That's how we mark periods. So for more information, contact me at rose_wignall@abss.k12.nc.us.